So I did adjust and tighten, but not too much, etc., the wheels, so that they roll smoothly. And then I installed the cross section onto the two carriages and realized it was quite a pain. So I thought it was worth showing it on video. And because I like you, I took it apart, and we're gonna try to put it back together once again. You can't do it with the carriages on the aluminum extrusions, so you have to do it like there in the void, sort of, and then put them on the rest of the frame. There we go. Looks like they didn't turn. I'm going to screw one at least, so that it doesn't fall out while I'm putting the other one. Done. And that's it. So it's centered, kind of. And I'm gonna use my flashlight to check the T-nuts didn't move. At least the ones I can see. So that's good, and that's good. It's just that one which is slightly yeah. There we go. Straight. And on with the tightening. I don't know how tight it's supposed to be, since I didn't buy the Dual Z upgrade kit. I wonder if I shouldn't loosen it up a bit on the left side, because since there won't be any lead screw there to guide it, more friction might mean more trouble. For the moment, it's pretty good. The base, every time you add one element to the base frame, you slightly change the geometry of the thing, so I'm not gonna worry too much about the slight rocking until we've put the top part of the assembly, and then I'll loosen more screws and retighten them.